Okay, first casino tip. Raise the playing volume of your Keno machine. We first heard this from Raja Slots on YouTube. We found it makes a change to the Keno machine algorithm. Try it, especially if your Keno machine is going cold. Okay, let's look at our first bonus round. Yes, the bet is 10 and the coin is 5. Take these Keno numbers to your next casino visit. Come on, Cleo, a little bit of a slow start. Cool. 4 out of 7 for 60 credits. 6 plays to go. 3 out of 7, we'll take it. Hey, cool. Another 3 out of 7. Last play coming up. Yes, a 4 out of 7. Cool. And a 3 out of 7 to finish up. 180 credits for the bonus round. And of course, a 3 out of 7 got us into the bonus round. Listen up. Try the Keno machine volume tip for your next Keno jackpot. And leave a comment when you win at Keno. Let's move on to our next AI Keno tip of the day. Okay, our second casino tip is change your Keno numbers often. You know, if your favorite 5 spot isn't working, switch to this lucky AI 4 spot. Don't forget, changing Keno numbers often drives your Keno machine algorithm crazy. Let's see how this AI 4 spot works out. All right, make a note of the lucky Keno numbers. Cool. First hit is a 2 out of 4. Again, a little bit of a slow start. Okay, cool. Another 2 out of 4. Yes, a 3 out of 4 gives us 100 credits. Bonus. And yet another 3 out of 4. Last play coming up. $250 for the total bonus round. Of course, many of today's Keno players change Keno numbers often, but how many of you are using AI Keno numbers? Yes, try them out and leave a comment below when you win a jackpot. Let's go on to our third tip of the day. Okay, our third casino tip. Use AI Keno numbers with your lucky Keno numbers. Remember, casinos track the most common Keno numbers that come up. AI does this also. Subscribe to stay up with the most current winning AI Keno numbers. Let's take a look at our third bonus round. All right, every Keno player needs a go-to 10 spot. Yes, cool. A 4 out of 10 starts us off. These Keno numbers are hot in 2024. Pause this video and copy them down to be a winner at Keno. Uh-oh, talk about a slow start. What is going on? Finally, we get a 5 out of 10. Is this 10 spot for real? 80 credits for the bonus round. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yes, this 10 spot is real. What are you waiting for? Write these Keno numbers down. Subscribe to get the most current AI Keno numbers and strategies. Be a winner at Keno. Beginners. Yes, beginners. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, see you next week.